Hello, my name is Lazarus and I am the Sandals. Every time when I do my work and I walk around the island and I see a lot of slippers, I decide maybe it's better way if I do collect all the slippers and I do something that it looks nice. It looks like when you look at it, it's not trash anymore. It looks like something, you know.
When I go there, I think it's when I look at it, it kind of looks like a store for shoes.
In the beautiful Pacific nation of Palau, which has a population of just 18,000 people, I went to this remote island in the north called Kayango. From first impression, Kayango is one of the most stunning places you will ever see, with white sanded beaches, crystal clear seawater, and an abundance of wildlife, including reef sharks. Sadly, this island is a magnet for pollution that washes in from nearby countries. This is a story of a local guy I met named Lazarus, who not only cleans up the sandals on his beach, but he turns them into something bigger.
I mean, every day I can collect 50, just only this island. 50 to 100, different type, different size, different colors. I start picking it up since about 3 years ago. Now it's about 3.5 years.
And how many sandals do you pick up every day?
Thousands. I will, if you were coming back on 5 years, there's more and more slippers are coming.
How many years have you been a ranger?
It's about 13 years.
13?
Yeah.
It's a long time. What's your job as a ranger?
My job is walking around the island, pick up, do some cleaning, you know.
So it's your job to protect all of this beach?
Yeah, all the beaches.
Wow.
I mean, protect all the beaches.
Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Look at this.
They all come from different
Floridina. This one's from Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah, this one came from Indonesia. This from Malaysia.
Malaysia.
This is like laundry detergent. And this is Chinese writing, so this one's from China.
Wow.
So they come from all over the world, and they wash up on this beach. You collect them. Oh, you have a string here.
Yeah.
So what do you do with them?
I have a storage for them.
You have a storage for the sandals. It was a special experience to be here with Lazarus and see what he's doing on his beach, how he's cleaning up, and I admire his efforts. But truth be told, it's very sad. This is only one beach on one island in Palau. Can you imagine how many sandals are washed up on all the other beaches around the world? Breaks my heart. Oh my God, I've never seen anything like this before, man. Woo! What's your favorite?
My favorite is a fish tank.
A fish sandal.
This one is my favorite.
It's literally a fish with scales and everything. That is crazy. And you have no idea where it's from.
Yeah, I don't have any idea where it's from.
How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel bad, but you know, when I create something like this, then I become, oh, maybe this is better to do it like this.
You've turned it into like artwork.
Yeah.
What's gonna happen when you fill up this whole area? Where are you gonna put the sandals?
I have a much space for it, so I can keep on doing it more and more and more.
This one looks like these are like kids, right?
Yeah, kids.
So you mix all the kids ones together. These are tiny sandals.
Yeah.
And then you have all the different sizes.
Different sizes and different colors.
Wow, look at this one. Warner Brothers
Also,
Entertainment.
this one is different type.
Wow, man. What does the environment mean to you?
It means so much to me, because the problem is the trust that coming. That's the one make me feel bad every time when I saw them. I hope you guys will come over to Kayango and then you will see what I do, and you see how many trusts are coming, and you might be help me to tell some of your people from your island, your country, stop throwing trusts. That's what I was. Maybe it's my recommend for them, because they might be throw the trust and it's coming to my island. So if they try to designate the area for the trust, they don't throw in the ocean, then it might be not coming to me, not coming to my place.
All right, guys, you heard Lazarus' story. He's a very, very inspiring person. It's been a pleasure to spend the day with him here in Kayango, in the northern part of Palau, and see what he's up to. It's very inspiring. I think we can all learn a lesson from him and take his path to make the oceans cleaner and make life better for ourselves and future generations to come. Thanks for having me here, man.
Okay.
Appreciate it. I'm Drew Binsky, and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe down there if you want to see more inspiring people stories, and check out my main channel below where I bring you on the most epic adventures from every country. Also, I'm giving away for free all of my best travel tips and secrets for finding cheap flights on that middle link. Until next time, stay safe, be spontaneous, and just go.